Welcome back, collectors and car enthusiasts. Today, we have a truly iconic model on the table, the Porsche 911 Rally Dakar in 1/24 scale from Bburago. This masterpiece combines Porsche's elegance with the ruggedness of rally racing. Let's start with the packaging. Bburago has designed a window box that gives us a clear view of this incredible model even before unboxing. Let's open it up and take a closer look. While we're opening up this amazing model, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments what you think about this model. And here it is, folks, the Porsche 911 Rally Dakar in all its rugged glory. Just look at those iconic rally details. It's a perfect blend of Porsche elegance and off-road grit. One of the standout features of Bburago's latest 1/24 scale models is the inclusion of a plastic display base with the model's name elegantly inscribed. This thoughtful addition not only enhances the presentation but also provides a convenient and stylish way to showcase the model, keeping it secure and prominently displayed. Now, let's take the model off the base to get a closer look at all the intricate details. Once you remove the model, you can truly appreciate the precision and authenticity of every angle. Let's learn about the Road Tough livery a bit. The Porsche 911 Dakar is a high-performance vehicle inspired by Porsche's historic participation in the grueling Paris-Dakar Rally. In 1984, a modified Porsche 911, adorned with the iconic Rothmans livery, secured a remarkable victory in this challenging event. The Rothmans livery, characterized by its distinctive blue, white, and red color scheme, became synonymous with Porsche's rally success during that era. In homage to this legacy, Porsche introduced the modern 911 Dakar, which can be customized with a livery reminiscent of the original Rothmans design. Due to advertising regulations, the Rothmans branding has been replaced with Rough Roads, but the livery retains the classic aesthetic that pays tribute to Porsche's rally heritage. Take a look at this. Bburago includes a plastic strip on the doors, a small but important detail. This strip keeps the doors securely closed during transit, ensuring the model stays in perfect condition when it arrives. Let's carefully remove it. This model comes with an amazing feature: steerable, posable front wheels. It's a great touch that adds realism and makes this scale model even more interactive. Now, let's open the doors and take a closer look inside. Interior is decently detailed, with all the essential elements captured beautifully. From the dashboard layout to the seats, it perfectly complements the overall design of this model. And here's my favorite part of the model, the roof luggage. It adds so much character to the car, giving it that rugged, adventurous vibe. The detailing on the luggage is fantastic, and it fits so perfectly with the overall design. It's definitely a standout feature for me. Overall, the Porsche 911 Rally Dakar 1/24 Bburago Diecast model is a must-have for collectors. It captures the spirit of adventure and the legacy of Porsche in one compact, high-quality package. You can buy these and many other scale models from our website. Please visit www.scalearts.in. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing diecast reviews and unboxings. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Porsche model is, or what you'd like to see next.